Yes! Payday is finally here. This month, I'm definitely going to save some money. First, I'll pay my bills, then groceries, maybe one online order, and I'll save whatever's left. That sounds like a solid plan. Wait, where did my paycheck go? Every month I plan to save, but somehow there's never much left. Hold on. What if I saved first instead of saving whatever's left? What if my savings the first bill I paid every month? Oh, I'm not trying to save what's left anymore. I'm building my savings first and then spending what's left. That completely changes my habits. I didn't earn more money. I just gave my savings priorities priority instead of hoping there would be something left at the end of the month. Now I understand why paying yourself first works. Saving isn't about having extra money. It's about making your future a priority before everything else.